I will tell you, this cost me 170 quid. Well, at the top of your dehumidifier, you've got your manuals and your booklet. Now, this will be, hopefully it'll come out easy. You know, these things aren't quite the same as they should be. Oh, there it is. So it's actually quite light. It does come with a plug. Now, you do get different colors of tops. So for starting up, it's this red button here, and that switches on. Cool, can you hear that? Yeah, that is very loud, isn't it? And this is supposed to be quiet. That is supposed to be 36 dB. I think that's quite loud actually. At least it's low fuel consumption. That is your button for doing your clothing. So you press that on or off. Also, you've got your fan, and that's actually a lock button there as well to stop the kids mucking about with it. Obviously, one's high, one's low. That's the low one. That's the high one. And this is your humidity stat. So you can obviously change this to whatever. And I think this is straightforward. This is a timer. So you can actually set it. In fact, you can have a sleep mode if you want. Personally, I just leave mine on all the time. So I'll just turn that off now because that's driving me nuts. So let's have a look at the back of the machine. So at the back here, very simple. This is your filter. You can actually get like a filter to go in here if you've got asthma and stuff. That's straightforward. And then this is easy. Just take it out and just empty the water away. It's got a control on it. If it gets full, it automatically switches off. And once it's full, just take it out, empty it in the sink or wherever. I always collect the water up and use it in the iron. Well, there you go, folks. That's the unboxing, and I've showed you how to use it. Very simple, easy operation. Now, once again, this is a MeacoDry, and they call it ABC Dehumidifier. This is a 12 litre. They've got a big range of dehumidifiers, so don't get confused with them all. There are so many of them. You really need to get the one that's going to suit your property. And in my next video with this dehumidifier, we'll be doing a full review on it, seeing how I'm getting on with it. And I'm going to be interested to find out how good it is against my old models, because those old models last a very long time. And this is just made of high class plastic. And for 170 quid, it's still a lot of money. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!